guys, it's Andrew from IronTrap Garage, and today I'm going to be working on my Model T. Now I know a lot of you guys have been asking what's going on with it, am I still working on it, did I quit, all this stuff. I'm still here, I'm still working on it. I've been acquiring a lot of parts lately, and a couple parts that I need to actually make more progress. So today I'm going to be making some body mounting tabs for it, getting the body secure. I have a front spring. I'm going to be ordering a front spring this week, and I've been getting, I got a trans, and I got some different wheels that I want to try out on it, little things like that. But once my spring shows up, I'll be able to get the front suspension under it and all that stuff. But for today, we're going to get the body secured down to the frame, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to get the body bolted down to the frame and getting secure, in the back of a Model A frame, on the rear cross member, at either end where the side rails and the cross member meet, there's a hole on either side. It's about a 1/2 inch hole. And on a Model T body, there's actually a similar hole right down in here that actually lines up with the holes in the cross member. Now, somebody on my frame previously had done a repair, and on the one side they filled the hole up, they welded it shut. I guess they're repairing the cross member, making it more structurally sound. So I'm gonna have to drill that one hole out, but the other hole matches up, so I should be able to put a bolt through it, locate the hole, get the body sitting relatively close, drill the other side out, and then get the rear ones mounted down and get the rear section of the body bolted to the frame. Alright, so now we got both the bolts sitting in the rear cross member. I drilled this side out and got the bolt sitting in it. So now both bolts are sitting in the back cross member and holding the body down. They're not completely bolted in, but they're just sitting in there to locate it right now. And what we're going to do now is, up here in these front mounting tabs, we're going to build a little semicircle from here around to this side with a hole in it right here. So that way we can bolt this tab and this one right here down. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out of 1/8 inch steel. We're going to tack weld it to the frame here, and then we're going to drill a hole in it. Alright guys, we got the body mounted down. We got the front mounts made and tacked in, and we drilled the hole in the back, and everything's nice and secure and everything lines up perfect. So next time, we're going to be putting the front suspension under this thing and getting it on 4 wheels. Pretty exciting. So that's it for this one, guys. Subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you later.